Welcome to week 7. I say that because this is a midterm week. There's only one thing you have to do this week, and that is a Photoshop midterm. Now don't get too worried about it, because for most of the week, all you're going to be doing is practicing the midterm. You see, I'm going to give you all the sample files that are similar, although not exactly, like what will be the midterm files for you to work with throughout the week until you're confident that you can complete it correctly. And then you'll take the midterm, the actual midterm, using the actual files and submit it for grading. Now, the midterm is going to be open on Friday. The actual midterm won't be available to you until Friday morning at 8 a.m. Then you will have any time between Friday morning and Sunday night to complete the actual midterm. You'll also only have 2 hours to complete the midterm. So when you open up the midterm and start it, you open up your file, you create your first new file in the midterm process, that starts the clock. You're going to work, complete the midterm, and save it all before 2 hours is done. If you run past the 2 hours, you're going to get docked points. How will I know? Trust me, I'll know. Now, getting back to the practice lesson, what I strongly recommend you do before you even start doing the practice lesson, read everything on the page. Read all the information, all the instructions. Make sure you have a general understanding of what the entire lesson is before you start doing it. While you're working with the practice lesson and you run into some problems or any questions, post them on the discussion board so that other students get the advantage of seeing the questions and the answers. I promise to be very, very responsive to posts on the discussion board so that you can get an answer to your question quickly. Now, going back to the actual midterm test that will open up on Friday. As I said, once you start the test, you have 2 hours to complete it. Make sure you save often, and also every once in a while a student has a serious problem. The electricity goes out, something like that. Don't panic. We'll figure it out. But in most cases, you are going to open it up, do the work, complete the process within 2 hours, save your work, and upload your work for grading. However, uploading your work this time is going to be different. It is too big, too large of files for Canvas to really handle very well. So we are going to use Mount Sax Dropbox. In the final midterm, I have instructions for you on how we're going to do that. Basically, I'm going to send you an email that requests the file, and you're going to follow a link and upload it through Mount Sax Dropbox. So that's it. Again, if you have any questions at all, please let me know. I'm available on my office hours. We can set up a Zoom meeting. You can email me. But if it's a question about the midterm practice, please post it on the discussion board. Okay, talk to you soon.